Hi Ray, just to add to what I previously discussed in the last screencast. So I basically grabbed one of these thumbnails, found the image via FTP, downloaded it, and then used Replace Media to redo the image. This is it here. So it was over here, but now I used the Replace Media, but it's still not showing the image. You can see here now that the link, oh, that's interesting. So it's still it doesn't put it in the new date of today, so 2019 5. It's still at that old address, and maybe that's why it's still not working. You can see that it has got the timestamp on it now that you implemented, but for some reason, the previous still isn't working.